Are you ready to start making $100 per day? Stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to show you the exact formula, the exact method that I'm using to make consistent $100 or more every single day. And now this is without talking to people, without selling anything, without pitching anything. All you have to do is set up a simple system which is 100% duplicatable, and then just simply share one link. Alright, the sales system is going to do everything for you. The payments are instantly deposited into your bank account. Alright guys, so my name's Dylan Afazio. I want to welcome you guys to this training video. And like I said, in this video, not only am I going to be showing you guys the system, if you guys want to get access to that system, if you guys want to copy what's working for me right now so that you can start making money today. Alright, you don't have to wait to get paid. You can start making money today. Alright, so this is my Stripe account. This is the back office. As you guys see here, let's just go over to Google, what day is it? Alright, so as you guys see here, this is December 27th today. Alright, so Merry Christmas to all you guys. So as we see here, let me just pull this up here. So December 27th is the day today. So this is today, right? And then that is December 1st, okay? I don't know what just happened there. So anyways, so this is today. We made $124. This is only from 3 sales. As you guys see here, our percentage is down. That's simply because I took time off over the holidays as I was sick. So I kind of, didn't do any work over the last couple of days. And then obviously today, our first day back, and boom, we hit that $100 mark. I was actually sleeping while we hit this. This is from a campaign last night. So the process is very, very simple. All right, below this link, or below this video, there's a link. Okay, when you click that link, you're gonna get sent over to this page. Right, so once you see this page, right, this is going to be the exact system that you're going to get. So pay very close attention when you're going through this, because you're going to get the exact same system. Everything's done. You don't have to do anything. All right, so what's going to happen is you're going to set up, or you're going to enter in your email. So I'm just going to plug in one of my emails here. Right, so we'll enter in this code. And we're going to enter it in here. So I've already done this, so we're going to click on yes. Okay, so then there's going to be 2 videos, alright? So video number 1, as you guys see here, it's the same back office. It is the same product, okay? So step number 1, this is going to be our traffic source, okay? This is going to be our instant pay system, but it's also going to be our traffic source. It's a very, very cool platform. I'll be going over that here in just a moment. Now, step number 2, very, very simple, right? Step number 2 is where you're going to be able to copy this entire system. So I use a platform called Power Lead System. Now, Power Lead System is a landing page builder, right? So that means that this the Power Lead System allows me to build these pages, right? So that opt-in page that we just went through, everything is linked together through the Power Lead System, and with it I can give you a simple code just like this, where you're going to get all of the email follow-up, you're going to get all of the sales copy, everything is done. All you have to do is follow these 2 videos, which as you guys see here, video number 1's 10 minutes, right, and video number 2 is 12 minutes. So within 30 minutes, right, you could be set up and ready to earn money, all right, legit. You can start making money today if you go out there, follow these videos, follow this training, implement what I'm teaching you. You can start making money. Okay, so now that we have that system set up, we have all that stuff ready to go. Okay, cool, we have a way to make money, we have a way to build our email list. Now what I recommend doing is going to Aweber. If you guys want to, if you don't have an Aweber account or a GetResponse account, I highly recommend setting one of those up. Okay, because yes, inside of the system, I have emails that are going to go out automatically for you, but what you want is you want to be building your own email list as well. Okay, so below there's a link to Aweber if you guys want to get it, right? So this is what I use to build my email list, all right? So what this is going to allow you to do is, as you guys see here, I have scheduled broadcasts, so I need to set up, I normally do anywhere, I do 2 emails a day, and I'll set up anywhere from 2 to 6 emails to go out over the next couple days. So every 1 to 3 days, I'll go out there and I'll schedule a bunch of emails so that it's very automated, and I have emails going out around the clock. I don't have to worry about it. All right, so that is one of the reasons why you want to be building your email list, so that you can take this, okay, because this system is going to allow you to build your list and make money, right, while building your list, okay? That's very important. You want to be making money while you're building your list. Once you're building your list, right, then we want to be promoting different offers to that list. Now, I'm not going to go over that in this video. If you guys want to get some more information on that, all you have to do is at the bottom of this page, just ask to join the Six Figure Marketers Club. That's my private Facebook group. That's where we'll be going into more back-end training so that you can actually, create a full-time income, okay? Because you're not going to be making a full-time income from $100 a day, right? We want to be making more than that. This is just a simple way to get money now and build your list while doing so, okay? So now that you have the system set up, right, you want to have your email list set up. These are 2 very important steps, okay? Now we can actually go into our SMS phone leads. Now, I might be all over the map here, but I want you to pay very close attention, okay? This is step number 1 of the system. You remember the system that we went over to? If you click here, you're going to get a SMS phone leads account. Now, all this is you're going to get your very own phone number, which you can go out there and set up automatic responses and things like that. But the power behind this system is the SMS phone blaster. This is where we're going to get some traffic, okay? So this is instant traffic, and it's very, very simple, one-click traffic. So solo ads is what I normally use. All right, now if we go here, let me just go here. So we're going to be paying about 39 cents, 40 cents per click. Okay, now as you guys see here with the SMS phone leads, I'm able to send out 200 messages every single day. As you guys see here, I have 2,400 credits. Now if I wanted to buy more credits, look at this. So $36 gives me 3,000 credits. So that's 3,000 different messages for $36, and it's about a penny per click, okay? So this is a lot cheaper than solo ads, all right? So if you guys, I'm actually in the process of, upgrading this so that I can send out more than 200 credits per day. So you can go ahead and do that as well. So all you have to do, if you want to send out a message to the instant commission system, right? How does an extra $100 per day sound? Want more info? Click here. Okay, and then we'll send them the link. instantcommissionsystem.com. So that's the link, that's the domain for the instant commission system. If I just go to this, I want to show you guys that it's the same system. Right, so we're sending everybody to the same system. Now all I have to do is click this button right here. Boom. Okay, so now I've got 200 messages being sent out to this sales funnel. Okay, that's good. That's step number 1. Now we'll go over to our Facebook profile. Right, so if you're not building your Facebook profile, you want to make sure that you're building your Facebook profile. Okay, as you guys see here, I got 1,000 followers. I'm posting consistently. But look at this right here. So this is how simple a post is that you can start making for social media. Okay, very, very simple. Look at this. So I did break my screen this morning, right? And I did make $100. So now that $100 is probably going to go pay for my screen. Okay, so what this post is, it's just a simple, I got a couple emojis in there, but it's very simple. I don't make it too complicated, right? I share them results, right? Because that's what people want. People want to make results. They want to make money. They don't care that you made money. They want to make money. All right. So I don't ask them to comment below. I don't ask them to do any of that, because at the end of the day, the more they have to do, the more steps they have to take, the less action they're going to take. So if I just give them a link, yes, due to Facebook algorithms, maybe a lot of people won't see it, but as you guys see here, I do post very consistently, all right? So that is the key factor if you're going to be putting links in your post. You want to be posting consistently, because either way, Facebook is going to screw you and not show people your content. So what you're going to do is when somebody clicks that link, guess where they go? Boom. So they go here, okay? So as you guys see here, everywhere is leading back to that instant commission system. So this is step number 2 of how to actually get leads for that business. Now, if you go ahead and you click the link below and you follow only these 2 steps, I guarantee you, if you do this for a week's time or less, you will make money. If you go out there, now if you have 20 friends on your Facebook and they're all family, you probably won't make money, all right? As you guys see here, I have 4,500 marketer friends. If you guys don't know how to find marketer friends, just go to, Grant Cardone, okay? Let's just use him as an example. Okay, we'll click on one of his pages. We'll scroll down. I'm going to show you guys just how simple it is to find prospects for your marketing campaigns, okay? So as you guys see here, 15 people. I like to go to one where it has more, all right? And then I like to, so there's 2 ways that you can do this. You can find people that comment, right? So you can find people that comment. You can just open this up, right? So obviously John Taffer, you don't really want to add him. But you can actually go through and you can look at the likes, right? You can look at the engagements. I like to look at the reactions. And then I like to make sure that they're a real profile, okay? So mutual friends are key. If you have lots of mutual friends with the person, that is awesome. If you're brand new, just, click on the profile. Make sure that it looks like a legit profile and then shoot them a friend request, okay? Make sure they're in your target area. You don't want to be adding people in, countries that don't have Stripe or PayPal or whatever it is. You want to have people in tier 1 countries, so Canada, US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, all that kind of stuff. You want to get people in those countries, okay? So go ahead, add some people, build your Facebook up, make sure it looks professional, make sure you have a good profile picture, make sure you have a cool cover photo, a very simple link. I have a link to my training site, right? Make your profile look legit. This is a business at the end of the day. All right, so that is step number 2. Now, if you guys want to get even more traffic, you can go into solo ads, okay? Now, if you guys want to get access to Udemy, if you guys want to start, sending out solo ads, I'll leave a link for Udemy in the description of this video as well. Like I said, this is going to be a little bit longer of a video, but everything you need to know to start making money with the system is here, okay? So now what you can do is you can simply go over to Udemy. I like to do 24 hours, 100 clicks, 35 to 40 cents. Now, I don't really care about paying 35 to 40 cents because I can go out there, I can grab, let's just use this guy for an example. I bought lots of solo ads, right? So as you guys see here from this one guy, I bought 4 different solo ads. But what I can do is I can simply just send in the link, all right? So I can just do the instant commission system. Right, .com. I don't even have to add text. They're gonna, because at the end of the day, we're gonna be getting clicks, right? We just want high quality clicks. This person's gonna know what message is best for their list, what's gonna convert best. All right, so they're gonna look over your landing page, they're gonna look over your sales funnel, and they're gonna craft a message that's best for their list. Okay. Now you can go out there and make your own message if that's what you want. I just do this. This is what works for me. I get anywhere from 40 to 70 leads every time I do a solo ad, and it costs me $42. So in my mind, if I have this system set up and somebody just goes through and gets the bare minimum, okay, so they go all in on the SMS phone leads, right? They get the SMS blaster and all of that good stuff, right? And then they go ahead and they become a gold member, which is the bare minimum member to copy the system. What you will earn is you will earn about $150 in commissions. And for me, for a $42 solo ad, that is very, very good returns. So my goal with this solo ad is to get leads from my list and make one sale. That's all I want to do. I just want to make one sale. Okay, so if I go through and I purchase traffic from this member and I get 50 plus leads, that's a good thing. Okay, if then one of those 50 leads goes ahead and purchases, right, even if they only get the first stage, and you only make $80 or whatever, or you only make $50, it does not matter, because you just got 50 new leads for your email list, right? And it was 100% free, and you made $18 or $20 or $50 from that campaign. Now you can go ahead and do this over and over and over again and scale your business. But you'll now have this email list, which, like I said, I'll teach you guys how to make even more money from. So that is the simple process, okay? Now, the cool thing about the system, like I said, you have emails built into the instant commission system. So the emails are going to go out automatically. You don't have to worry about anything like that. But when you buy these solo ads, there's 14 days of emails that are going to follow up with those 50 leads that opted in, and it's going to convert those leads into paying customers for you. So you might not get a sale instantly, but in 5 or 6 days, once the emails start hitting people's inboxes and they see the system multiple times, boom, you just made a commission from a solo ad you made on Monday, but the commission didn't come through until next Tuesday. Okay, so that's the power of email marketing and the power of follow-up. So I hope you guys got a lot of value from this. I recommend watching this video a couple times, because there is a crap load of content in this training, and I believe this training alone could take you from making no money online to actually going ahead and making money online. So I hope you guys got lots of value from it. If you did, please leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this. I would really appreciate if you guys gave it a thumbs up. Let's go for 100 thumbs up. That would be amazing. And if you guys enjoy content, if you guys want more training like this, hit that subscribe button and bell notifications. And I look forward to seeing you guys inside of the system and inside of the Six Figure Marketers Club. So thank you for watching. Dylan DeFazio here. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon.